Welcome to Sun City, Apple Valley, a gated, master-planned community available to residents 55 years and older. This property, located at 11,000 Phoenix Road, features over 2,200 square feet of living space and boasts a number of upgrades that make it truly move-in ready. The layout is flexible and dynamic, starting off with the front room that may be used as a den, workspace, or flex area. The open floor plan is light and bright. The kitchen features granite countertops, large center island, breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of cabinet space. Enjoy cozy evenings alone or with guests in the great room with views that open to the gorgeous backyard. The master suite comes with its own private bath featuring his and her sink, separate tub and shower, and large cedar-lined walk-in closet. A second bedroom is perfect for guests or may be used as home office or flex space. The garage comes with custom cabinets and overhead storage, as well as space for golf carts. Enjoy the entertainer's backyard featuring a putting green, fruit trees, and plenty of space. This home has too many amenities and upgrades to mention, but include wood-look laminate flooring, recessed lighting, custom built-ins in front room and breakfast nook, plantation shutters, tankless water heater, and crown molding throughout. This is the perfect home for those looking to have it all in one place. From mountain views out the front door and along the river walk, the Aspen Clubhouse and Mariposa Lodge, and the 27-hole Ashwood Golf Course, to miles of walking trails and just a short distance from great shopping and restaurants, Sun City, Apple Valley is a great place to call home.